Looking for a budget-friendly drone? Let's explore 5 alternatives to the DJI Mini SE for aerial photography enthusiasts. The DJI Mini 2 shines with its 4K video quality and 10 kilometers range, perfect for long-distance shots. Despite its impressive specs, the Mini 2 lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, which can be limiting in complex areas. Its compact, foldable design makes the Mini 2 a convenient choice, although it comes at a slightly higher price. The Mini 2 also misses advanced features like active tracking, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. With a 31-minute flight time, it nearly matches the Mini SE, offering extended sessions for capturing footage. Choose the Mini 2 for quality and range, but consider other options if obstacle detection or tracking is crucial. Introducing the Potensic Atom SE, a budget-friendly drone option perfect for drone enthusiasts and vloggers alike. One of its standout features is the impressive 31-minute flight time per battery, allowing for extended sessions. The Atom SE also boasts excellent wind resistance, ensuring a stable flight even in challenging conditions. With its Follow Me mode, capturing autonomous footage is easy, making it ideal for creative filming projects. However, the camera quality is a drawback, sporting a smaller sensor and lower image resolution compared to competitors. The transmission range is limited, meaning it's best suited for short-distance flights and not long-range adventures. Despite its limitations, the Potensic Atom SE is a great choice for those seeking affordability and functionality in a drone. Introducing the FIMI X8 Mini, a compact drone that rivals major brands with impressive features and performance at a competitive price. This drone offers 4K video recording, capturing stunning footage with excellent clarity, making it appealing for both beginners and enthusiasts. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, the X8 Mini ensures longer sessions to explore and capture your surroundings. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it easy to carry and deploy wherever your adventures take you. The X8 Mini boasts a flight range of up to 8 kilometers, providing ample freedom to explore distant landscapes. However, it lacks obstacle avoidance and active tracking, which may limit its functionality in complex environments. Despite a slightly shorter range compared to some competitors, the FIMI X8 Mini remains a solid choice for hobbyists seeking quality and affordability. Introducing the Autel EVO Nano Plus, a drone designed to excel in low-light conditions with a larger 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor. This sensor significantly enhances image quality in dim settings, making the Nano Plus a standout for nighttime photography and videography. The Nano Plus boasts obstacle avoidance features that provide an extra layer of safety, unlike the DJI Mini SE. It offers a 28-minute flight time, which is quite impressive given its compact size and lightweight design. However, the Nano Plus comes with a higher price tag, potentially deterring beginners or those on a budget. Its battery life, though decent, is slightly shorter than that of the DJI Mini SE, which may concern some users. Additionally, the Nano Plus has a more limited range compared to DJI models, which could affect long-distance flights. The last drone we will explore is the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, a remarkable drone known for its impressive features. One of the standout advantages of the Zino Mini Pro is its extraordinary 40-minute flight time, surpassing many competitors. It features advanced capabilities such as obstacle avoidance sensors, active tracking, and high-quality 4K video recording. Offering a lot of value, this drone is available at a mid-range price, making it accessible for many enthusiasts. However, the Zino Mini Pro's performance can sometimes be less reliable compared to DJI models due to occasional firmware issues. Another limitation is its shorter transmission range, which might not suit users aiming to capture wide landscapes. Overall, the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro offers an excellent balance of value and features, despite some performance limitations. Discover a variety of drones, each offering unique features and prices to suit different needs and budgets. The DJI Mini SE provides a perfect blend of affordability and quality for new and seasoned drone enthusiasts. If you're seeking budget-friendly options, consider the Potensic Atom SE or FIMI X8 Mini for great value. For advanced features, the Autel EVO Nano Plus and Hubsan Zino Mini Pro come at a higher price point. Those who prioritize value will find the DJI Mini 2 and Mini SE both reliable and well-supported choices. Whether you're a beginner or experienced user, there's a drone here to meet your needs. Explore these options and find the perfect drone that aligns with your priorities and price expectations.